Hi, it's Erica from 530 Home, and I am coming to you from my kitchen. So when we remodeled our kitchen about 10 or 12 years ago, my husband built this island, and it is made from lumber from my grandparents' farm in Kentucky that my dad had harvested in the early 80s, late 70s. And so my husband built the island, and he's just done a few repairs on it. So I'm going to talk to you about this mustard seeds milk paint hemp oil and how we use it on our wood island here. So he had sanded it down. Like I said, we did a few repairs. And so when you're using the hemp oil, it's perfect for raw wood because it really soaks in and nourishes the wood. I like to just use the squirt bottle, and then I wipe it through, letting the wood absorb what it needs. And then you really just sort of keep going over it and wiping off the excess. So I'm just gonna do some here too and really wipe it through. And then you go over it maybe once or twice just to give it a good coat, and then just let it sit for maybe an hour or so and wipe off the excess, and you repeat that until you're done. We sell Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint products, including the hemp oil, on our website and also in our storefront.